Pray God and bury them sin of his survive. To collect enough minimum wage. Get the house and the rage and never change. Never know